So, hello, my dear friends. Myself Pratik. We will be discussing ETL made easy. So, in this series, we are going to cover ETL concepts, data warehousing concepts, uh, query languages like SQL, Oracle. Then we have cloud based like Snowflake, Redshift, and then transformation tools like Informatica, Data Stage, Data IQ, and many more. And then after that, we will also cover reporting like used by business users uh, by using Power BI. So let's start. What is ETL? So ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. So let's start this with a example. We all do shopping, right? We do online shopping. We use Amazon, we use Flipkart, we use Zepto, all of these, correct? So millions of transactions are happening on day-to-day basis on those websites or apps, correct? Let's suppose all those transactional data, that is order number, or order ID, item number, or item type, its price, its quantity, its total price, a trans for so this is the transactional data. So let's suppose those transactional data is stored in MySQL. Okay, then we also have customer database, right? We have customer information like customer name, phone number, email ID, his address, etc., etc. So we have CRM tool for that, which stores those. So let's suppose Zepto is storing his customer information in a CRM tool. Okay, transactional data what we discussed in MySQL, and its product details like suppose biscuits, company name, and then flavors and all, its description, what are the ingredient. So everything is stored in Excel file. Okay, so this app is using these three types of storages. Okay, for storing data. Okay, so now we'll come to extract. What is extract? So extract is extracting all of this data, that is data from MySQL, data from Excel file, data from CRM tool. Okay, and then we have transform. So what is transform? Transform is done on business logic. Okay, for example, calculating the profit. Now in transactional database, you have transactional data, like whatever transaction are done. Okay, but then in transform, we will apply logic wherein we'll calculate the profit based on the cost price, the selling price. So this is an example. Then converting currency, like now this businesses are all over the world. So so there are different currencies all over. So let's say for easy purpose they are converting all those in US dollars. So yen is converted to US dollar, rupee is converted to US dollar. So this is a transformation. Okay, and the tools used could be any. It could be Informatica, it could be data stage, it could be data IQ. Okay, so before doing the transformation, we load the data or we store the data somewhere which is called as staging. Okay, that is a raw data. It is copied as it is from those storage devices. Okay, then the transformation logic is applied. Okay, and then the loading part comes. Okay, then the data is loaded in a data warehouse. So we can call it as a golden copy. Why golden copy? It is cleaned, it is easily readable, it can be used for business strategies, business analytics. Okay, for decision makings. Okay, now when the data is stored in a data warehouse, it can be pulled by reporting tools like Power BI to show visuals wherein the business users can make some decisions on looking at those visuals, like product sold previous year, product sold this year, which products are highly sold, which products are making most of the profits, season wise data. So all of this, the business makes decision by looking at the visuals. They don't see data warehouse, they don't see like whatever the data is stored in the back end, they don't see that, they see the visuals. Okay, so what we learned till now is what is ETL. Okay, ETL, E stands for extract, that is extracting data from various storage devices. Storage devices means like various databases. Sorry, storage devices would be a wrong word. Various databases like MySQL, which we discussed, CRM tool, Excel, it could be anything. Okay, then after extracting, it will be stored as in a raw format in staging database. Okay, so staging will be a copy, raw copy as it is from the application or website wherever those data was stored. So it will be in a raw format. Then comes transform. Transform, it is done on the business logic. Whatever business logic is there, it is applied, data is cleaned, data is converted to readable and whatever metrics required, and then it is loaded in data warehouse and made as a golden copy. After that, This data warehouse is used by reporting tools for creating visuals which are used by business users for making decisions. Okay, so this was for today. From tomorrow we will see what is ETL versus ELT. Then slowly we'll go to data warehousing concepts. Then we learn SQL used for analytics purposes. Then we will see some of the functions used in Python for data loading, data migrating. Then we will see tools used for transformation of data. And then we will also see reporting tools like Power BI. Okay? So stay connected. Let's meet tomorrow with a new topic. Thank you.